Hello everyone, welcome back today. Last time you would have seen me, I was priming up all the parts that I had been repairing. Today I'm actually going to be working on the XV750. This is all primed and ready to go. So I need to block it and sand it and get it ready for paint today. Last time I showed you my guide coat. Well, I actually have another little trick that I want to show you, because you can buy guide coat in a can from your automotive shop, and it depends on which one you get and how much it costs. But I was looking the other day and the minimum cost of a guide coat is $24.95, and that was online. But I think in store, you know, you're always going to pay about $40 for a can. Now, the difference between guide coat is that it comes out as a really fine mist and it's really quite light. It's just really thin down. So what I've been doing for years is actually buying cheapo spray paint, the cheapest one you can buy. This one is satin black, and I think this was $6.99, but I got it cheaper. I think I got it $6.29. I bought 3 tins. This works the same. It comes on a little bit thicker, but if you just spray it on a little bit further away, it works just like guide coat. So I would recommend just buy this. You're going to sand it off anyway, so it's a hell of a lot cheaper. So I'm going to put a coat of this on now and show you exactly what I mean. Alright, so I've tapped a coat of that on. As you can see, it's gone on like a fine mist, like that. It's probably already dry. Yep, it's already dry. So I'm going to hit it with my block today. I'm doing 240 today on my long block. I'm going to hit it again. You probably saw in my last videos that when I was blocking, I was using a diagonal motion. Now, I don't know why, but that's just the way that we were taught. It's always block in a diagonal motion, never straight, always diagonal. Obviously some contours you can't, you're going to have to go do it straight, but for the most part diagonal. So I'm going to get blocking this with 240 and then I'll show you the next part. Okay, so I've blocked this with 240. I haven't done underneath because underneath doesn't matter. I haven't got any repairs there, so I'm not going to block that. I'll just use the sander to knock that down. And around the fuel cap and stuff like that, I'll just sand with my little 240. So I've decided after my last statement about diagonal blocking, I was thinking about it and now I understand why. It's because if you block straight, it's going to be uneven. So you block diagonally over the whole panel, so it's even. You're blocking all of it at the same time. So that's why. I don't know why I didn't think about it, but that's why. So now that I've got to this stage, I need to quickly use the orbital with a bit 240 just to do the underside. And then we'll guide coat with this friend here, which is our powder one. And the reason we're going to use powder, you could use a spray if you want, but the powder, I like it better. The reason is because you've got 240 marks everywhere, so those scratches of 240 are quite deep, and then we need to get them out. So I'm going to do my 240 on the orbital just underneath, then we'll put this on and I'll show you exactly where the scratches are and how we're going to go about getting rid of them. Alright, now that we're finished with the 240, I'm going to put some of this guide coat on, this powdered guide coat. Alright, so I put the guide coat all over. You can see that crisscrosses just from the crate that it's sitting on. So if you look closely, you can see the 240 scratches. Those lines are all 240 scratches. So with the guide coat, it fills it up, and so when you start sanding, you'll start to see. So I'll do a close-up so you can really see what I'm doing. So what we need now is, instead of having the flat pad, we need to put an interface pad on. So let me find that. Here it is. All right, so we've got the interface pad, which is, I think this one is maybe 6mm or 5mm. And you put it on your sander, that. And I'm gonna go in with 400. So usually 400 or 500. I like 400, it cuts a little bit quicker. So now that we've got a 400 on, I'm going to get sanding and I'm going to show you, so you should see the scratches. All right, so you can see all the 240 scratches. So now we can see that. We're going to use the 400 and we're going to get them out. So it's just exactly the same. So some of them have started coming out at the top, but I'll work on this area here and show you how they come out with using the sander. so now you can see that I've gotten rid of the 240 scratches, and now it's at 400. A couple little spots you can see that are still black. They're just pinholes. They're just from the bog. So after, I'll just put a little bit of fine fill in those because they're only very shallow before we paint. But now I've got to get on with the rest of the tank and get all these scratches out. All right, there it is. We're ready to paint. So I've now finished off with 400 all over. It feels smooth as, all the scratches are gone. A couple little spots, as I said, I just got to put a little bit of filler in these spots. They look all right. Everywhere else looks pretty good. Doesn't look like I didn't see any other spots that needed any filler, so I think we're good. Yeah, we're all good. So that's how I'm going to finish that for sanding. And there's a couple little spots that I've got, a couple little rub throughs and stuff, which I'll just use my rub through primer to fix up. So now we're going to get on with putting some paint on. I'll also show you a picture. And this is the design that the owner has sent me. So now you're going to see me pretty much replicate what has been sent to me. And hopefully it's exactly what he wants. Alright everyone, I'm finished for the day. I finished this job. I've just finished painting. You still see the red mark from my mask around my face. This week I'm actually going to be dropping some new merch. It's our 10-year anniversary this year, so I've had a special design done in t-shirts, hoodies and crews. I will put the link down below so you can have a look. If you're interested and want to support my business, please go ahead and purchase something. This bike you'll see more on my social media, so keep updates. It's going to get put together this week, so then it's going into the Distinguished Gentleman Ride next week. So next week I'm going to be working on the purple Kawasaki and get that painted hopefully, and then the week after I've got a Triumph I need to do in candy red, which is a really nice colour, so I can't wait to show you that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week when we paint the Kawasaki. Thank you so much. Bye.